Hey y'all. Today I'm doing a review on McDonald's Artisan chicken sandwich and chicken nuggets. And I bought a lotto ticket, another lotto ticket, and one Monopoly scratch off, and another Monopoly scratch off. So I'll do that in front of you guys. So let's try the Diet Coke first, like I always do. Disgusting. Tastes like crap. Okay, this Artisan is on a lettuce, tomato. Looks like grilled chicken. Olive oil. Right there. It has no mayo, no nothing. It's kind of oily. So on a scale of 1 to 10, I'll give this a 8. I'll set that off to the side. This is a 10-piece chicken nugget. Had it like 5 days ago. Tastes the same. Really crispy though. That I'll give a 9 out of 10. I don't like fries because they make me fat. So those I would give a 10 out of 10 though. This is barbecue sauce and barbecue sauce. So now I'm gonna do the scratch off for you guys. Let's see if we win. Right here, the key. $25, 3, 7, 16, 9, and 12. Right there. $29, 22, 18, 26, 20, 17, 15, 24, 10, 27, 4, 2, 28, 11, and 1. So this is not a winner. Sorry. And let me do the second one for you guys. $17, 1, 3, 25, 8, and 10. 15, 12, 14, 9, 27, 29, 26, 18, 7, 5. 23, 11, 4, 24, and 6. Guys, don't buy scratch offs. They're a waste of money. Do not do that. So, see you later. Like, subscribe, comment, and share. Usually buy once a month, but yeah, nothing. See you guys. Peace out.